Yeah, Glenn, the activity that's been brewing coming out of the sun is part of the buildup to the 11-year solar cycle that will hit with the solar maximum that's actually still 2 years away in 2025. The Earth has been taking a beating this week, and it's a good thing that we have the Earth's magnetic field. The Earth's magnetic field actually acts as a protective field, a force field, if you will, that keeps the worst that comes from the sun and outer space away and keeps us safe down here on the ground. Now, over the last couple of days, that sun has been spewing out these huge ejections of hot, energized plasma gas from the corona of the sun's surface. That shoots out into space, but again, we have the magnetic field of the Earth, and that helps protect us, redirecting a lot of the sun's energy around us and back out to space, but some of it follows these magnetic field lines and will follow them down to the North Pole or coming up to the South Pole. And as that high energy plasma starts to enter the highest levels of the Earth's atmosphere, that's when we start to notice things happening down here on the Earth's surface. Now take a look at this view from NOAA's space satellite, their satellite that looks at the sun, that impressive explosion of that hot energized plasma coming off the lower right lobe of the sun there. That's one of several of those coronal mass ejections that have occurred this week. And again, some of that energy is going to intercept our magnetic field, and that's why we have some concerns about possible impacts. Now, in the worst storms, we'd be concerned about interruptions to perhaps satellite service, GPS, maybe your satellite TV, even cable TV. Cell phone service could be interrupted in some of the bigger storms. This is a low to moderate storm when you look at the numbers. The other thing that we worry about is the power grid. Power grids can be overwhelmed by some of that surge in energy. Generally, that's limited to the northern latitudes. We'll have to watch for that over the next 2 nights, but also watching for a brighter side. Those beautiful auroras get pushed further and further to the south, and that's what's in the forecast tonight and again tomorrow night. The area in green, Nebraska over to northern Illinois and Iowa, stands a good chance of pretty good show from the aurora the next 2 nights. St. Louis, we're probably too far south for much, but the outlying areas, look to that northern horizon. You may just see a little bit of a hint of glow from the aurora borealis, the northern lights, the next couple of nights.